Hi everyone, my name is Dev Chauhan and I'm 18 years old. Recently, I've cleared my 12th standard from Venkateshwar International School, which is in Sector 10, Dwarka. To talk about my achievements, I recently got my class 12th board exam results and I got a 97.8% in it. And I also got a perfect 100 in accounts. It all not only started from here, it started from the very beginning, wherein in class 10th I got a 93.8% marks. After that I got a 94.5% marks in my class 11th exams and I scored the second position in it. Therefore, my journey started not only from the last year but from the very beginning. Now, to talk about my strategy for class 12th exams, I would like to tell you all कि मैं एक चीज़ में ही believe करता था, which was consistency and regularity. I was consistent from day one in my studies, right from the beginning. Whenever I used to come home from the school, I used to revise every concept that was taught to me in the school. And I would also like to mention the fact that not every success comes without a great sacrifice. So hence I made a lot of sacrifices in order to achieve what I've achieved today. So my sacrifices included various things. For example, the biggest sacrifice was my social life, wherein I got disconnected with my friends for a while so that I could focus more on my studies. Also, I had to miss various family functions. For example, my cousin's marriage, which was right before my board exams. I had to miss various functions of my brother's wedding. Hence, in order to achieve something, you really need to sacrifice a lot. So there were many people who inspired me to work really hard. So firstly, I would like to mention my mother and my father. तो जब भी मेरे पापा घर पर आते थे, वो हमेशा मेरी मम्मी से पूछते थे कि देव कहाँ है। वो मेरी इतना ख्याल रखते थे। ऊपर से मैं जब भी उनसे कोई स्टडी मटेरियल या रेफरेंस बुक्स मांगता था, वो हमेशा वो मेरे लिए ख़रीद के लाते थे। तो उन्होंने मेरी बहुत हेल्प करी है। उसके बाद माई मदर, शी ऑल्सो वर्कड रियली हार्ड so that I could work hard. She always used to check on me whenever I was sleeping or whenever I woke up. She always used to get me breakfast in bed whenever I went to school. So that is the amount of care and love they had for me. And not to forget, especially my sister who took care of me all the while through this. After that, I would like to mention my teachers who inspired me a lot to work this hard. My teachers never pressurized me to work hard in order to achieve a good score. Rather, they wanted me to do something for myself, for my family and for the school so that it could make them proud. So therefore, I would like to give the credit to my parents and my teachers who worked really hard for me. So talking about my school life, I would especially like to mention that Venkateshwar International School has the best faculty and the best staff. My teachers never treated me like a student but as their own child. I would especially like to mention Mr. Ravindra Agarwal, who was my accounts teacher, who never treated me as his own student but like his own child and cared for me like that. He always used to get assignments, not only for me but all the students in our class. And he used to work hard so passionately that I don't think we worked that hard like what he worked hard for us. So thank you Ravindra sir for that. And I took tuition for only 2 subjects in my 12th standard, which was maths and accounts. Maths was taught by Madan sir. He was really hardworking. He used to come here to teach me all days and I would especially like to thank him for what I've achieved today. For accounts, I took home tuition by Aditya sir, and it is because of him and Ravindra sir and our team effort that I was able to get a 100 score in accounts. So thank you to every teacher of Venkateshwar International School and my tuition teachers for my success. So talking about my future plans now, I am currently preparing for my entrance examinations in order to get into a good college where I can pursue Bachelor of Management Studies, which is BMS. Or as a second option, I would also like to go for BCom Honours from a good college in Delhi University. After that, I would also like to pursue post-graduation. And as a career option, I would like to mention that I am really attracted towards digital marketing because it is the future of India, wherein the digital platforms are on an increase these days. So I would really like to pursue that. Moreover, I have a variety of other options, so I have not particularly decided one field, but I have a variety of other options I would like to get into after my post-graduation. So lastly, I would like to give a message to my fellow friends who are currently studying in school कि आप जो भी करो वो आप किसी की expectations के मुताबिक मत करो, जो आपको पसंद है आप वो करो. It is not only studies that you have to get into in order to get a good career. You can find other options which you are interested in so that you can give your 100% effort in that. According to me, you need to focus on two aspects, which is consistency as well as your passion about a particular thing. Consistency as in you have to put your 100% effort in whatever field you are choosing. And talking about passion, you have to find that thing which you really love to do. It is not important that it is only about studies which will get you something good to achieve in your life. But there are other options which are yet to be explored in our country. So work on that and work really hard to achieve what you want, not what the society expects you to do. So in the end, a very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers out there who are working really hard for their students. I would like to mention some names of my school teachers: Charu ma'am, Jasmine ma'am, Mamta ma'am, Ravindra sir and Sangeeta ma'am, who have really worked hard for me throughout my journey in class 12th. And not only them, all the teachers in our country who are currently working really hard for their students, and especially in this time of lockdown wherein they are providing services through their homes and working 24/7 for their own students. Thank you to each and every teacher.